Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to make cupcakes. So for these we need all these ingredients. Firstly I'm taking a mixing bowl, then sugar, which is a little bit powdered but it should remain granule. Then I'm taking maida, oil, curd and vanilla essence and a beater. If you don't have a beater then you can do it with a whisker as well. So let us get started. So guys, firstly I'm taking the sugar. You can see my sugar, it is a little bit powdered but it is granule. So now I'm adding the sugar into the mixing bowl and then I will add the curd. I have taken 50 grams of sugar and I'm taking 15 grams of curd. So now I have added the curd. Now we will blend it till the sugar gets melted in the curd and becomes soft and creamy. You should take the exact measurement. So I have taken 50 grams of sugar and 15 grams of curd. So guys, now I am mixing it using a blender. So mix it till the sugar melts. So now the sugar and curd have melted properly. The sugar has melted completely. So now I am adding one egg, full white and yellow. I have added and beat it till the egg becomes fluffy. So now I am beating up guys. So now the egg has become fluffy and it has some airs, as you can see. So now I will add the maida. For this I am taking a sieve. So now I have taken a sieve and I am adding 50 grams of maida. You have to add it equal to the sugar. And now I am adding 1/4 spoon of baking powder. And now I am adding 1/4 spoon of baking soda or the cooking soda. And now I am sieving it. This step is very important. If you don't sieve it, then your cake might not become as fluffy as when you sieve it. So now I am mixing it using cut and fold method. That is, you have to mix in this way, only in one direction, and cut it in the middle. In this way, only in one direction. Don't do it in both the directions. Otherwise, your cake will not become fluffy. Mix it thoroughly. Only in cut and fold method without any lumps. So now it has mixed up completely and you all can see how soft it is in this way. So now after we have mixed the batter without any lumps, use a blender or a whisker this way. So now I have blended it for 2 minutes and now I am adding half spoon of vanilla essence. And now blend it. So after the vanilla essence is mixed up, take 40 grams of cooking oil. You can take any oil and add it gradually to the mixture, little by little, and then blend it. Add the oil gradually. After adding the oil, now mix it till it becomes fluffy. Now the cake batter has become nice and fluffy. You can see its consistency, it's nice and soft. So now I have taken these cupcake molds which are greased with ghee. You can even use butter or oil. So now I am filling the batter into the cupcake molds with this scoop. You can fill it with a normal spoon also. So now we will fill it guys into the molds. If you all want, or you all can add some dry fruits or tutti frutti into this. So I am filling it. So now I have filled it up to 3/4 of the cup, guys. Now I will fill all these cups. So now I have filled all the cupcake molds and I have filled only to 3/4. Now I will put them in the oven. I have already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and now I will put the cupcake molds in the oven. Now I have kept them in the oven, and now I am keeping the timer for 20 minutes. I have kept the timer for 20 minutes and I am starting. So now I have removed them after 20 minutes, and you all can see how nicely it has puffed and how beautifully it has got the brown color. Now to see if it is cooked or not, I am poking a toothpick and removing it, and if it comes clean, that means it is cooked. So you can see all of them are nicely cooked and nicely puffed, and there is not a single crack on a single cupcake except for the holes that I have kept to check whether it is cooked or not. So now we will remove it and see. You can just remove it in this way. See, it has got neatly removed, and you all can see how soft it is. See how soft it is and how nicely it has got cooked. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.